There it is right there. I used to have an iconic all beige outfit. I would wear it all the time. So much so that my mom started becoming quite annoyed with it. So that year, I came home for the holidays and I pretended it was the only outfit I had for the week. After 3 days of only wearing the all beige outfit, my mom was shocked and she became quite furious. You are not going to wear that at the family party. I told her I'd find something else to wear. So I went up to my dad's wardrobe, only to come back down with more beige pieces added to my outfit. It became a running joke among my friends and family. Some people only knew me as the all beige guy. However, life has its ever-changing ways. And the following year, the holidays felt a little emptier. My mom passed away. The all beige outfit lost its charm, and in an attempt to move forward, I donated the all beige outfit. Years have gone by, and my heart is full of nostalgia. I've decided to return home for the holidays with an all-new, all-beige outfit. This is a tribute to my mom. We're making a comeback. Beiger, bigger, boxier. I already have the pants, so I ordered the jacket to go. There it is right there. Alright, we got the package. First impression, a little disappointed. I feel like it's always like that. You have expectations, you know, it's gonna be the best thing in the world, and then you get it, and it is what it is, I guess. A few things I see that I want to modify. First thing is these buttons. We're going for an all beige look here. These turquoise buttons ain't gonna cut it. You see that? Nah. Can't have that. Can't have that. Second thing, sleeves are a little short. I'd want them to be at least over my knuckles. This is a one-sized jacket for women, so I guess they think women have shorter arms. Some women have long arms, you know. Just saying. Not the biggest fan of the pockets either. So what we're trying to do here is get that nice boxy look. When I have my arms straight like this, the arms are shorter than the jacket, which is definitely not what we want. So by cropping the jacket just about here, we're gonna use that extra fabric to get that extra length on the sleeves. And that's when you have that boxy look. That boxy look we all love, right? So let's tie this up. The pants have a cuff down here, kind of like a jogging pants. So to go for the same workwear type, we're gonna cut off the cuff, and it's gonna give us a straight leg like this. See that? And that's what we want right there. And that's that. So first things first, let's go get these buttons. We got our new sexy buttons. So let's take off these turquoise one. I'm gonna use this little thing. Seam ripper? Yeah, that's a seam ripper right here. Okay, already I like the look much cleaner. The one thing though is that the pockets show a little more than I thought they would have. I also rushed a little bit and I pierced a hole over here, but that's gonna be easy to sew back up. Yeah, you know, but I do prefer the look without the pockets on the button. It's not bad, okay? We're not lost yet. What I'm thinking, since we see this line, I could sew a zigzag stitch all the way down, kind of like a denim jacket, you know? See these lines? Worst case, okay? Thinking of solutions here, okay? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Just chill. So, next up, we're going to crop the jacket. So you gotta find the spot. Adjust your pants for this. That's looking good. And then we're gonna fold it just under the waist. That looks like the spot right there. See the difference? Hit them with the clips. Okay. Just getting started here, but is it just me or it looks like $100 more expensive already? Come on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody look at this. I was starting to doubt myself. Now we're back in a hopeful place. I know this is gonna be fire. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feels boxy, you know? It's not just like a slouchy jacket anymore. I got that flex. Let's get to sewing. Okay, let's cut these pants. Okay, must admit, sewing heavy fleece, not the easiest thing to work with, but managed pretty well. We got a crop, nicely finished. I then used what I cropped right here to extend the sleeve. Building the cuffs went well too, but then when it came to sewing it on, I sewed it on upside down twice. Not once, twice! You know how long that is? Every time you have to unsew it, stitch by stitch. Third time was a charm. Sleeve is good, and then the other one I was able to do one shot, no problem. We good. I learned my lesson. I also hand sewn the hole that was here. Still kind of see it though. So what I'm thinking of doing is a zigzag stitch all the way down and then do another line across here. So look at this. Look at this. So the same way on this jacket we have a line going on here, I would have it just at the same level right there. So that's our update. Big struggle with the sleeves, but we are cropped. Got a whole new silhouette going on here. So finishing touches, we're gonna add the buttons, do those detailings with the zigzag stitches, and we'll be good to go. Hey, you got buttons. Look at this. Look at these buttons. I said, look at this. Will somebody look at this? Yeah, that's pretty good. So last little detail is our zigzag stitch. I must admit, I'm pretty worried about this one, because if I mess it up, there's no going back. But I think we can do it. I believe. So let's draw them out to see where we want them. Okay, so we drew the lines here. Y'all see that? I think it looks pretty good. Now we just have to stitch those on properly. The moment of truth. Okay. It's the moment of truth. Did 3 practice runs on this little piece of fabric. These are the types of lines we're trying to get. Let's go. Doing good. Nice and slow. We don't want to press the pedal too hard or else it might slip or skip some stitches. Slow and steady. Okay, line number 1 complete. The top line done. Let's keep it going. Whoo, look at this. Hey. I am loving these lines. Let's button it up. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at that line. Fire. This is a prime example of embracing your mistakes. I did a hole right there. I was pretty pissed. Then started thinking of solutions. Could have it up right here. Took our time, believed, and look at these lines. Hey, they didn't think we could do it, but we did it. As the homie Lublin would say, mistakes are gold mines. He's got it stitched on a hat. Had a roller coaster of emotions doing this thing. It took 3 days. I thought it was gonna take 1 night. And I mean, you have your ups and downs, you know? In those 3 days, sometimes I was looking at the outfit and I was like, why am I putting so much time and effort into this thing when it's not even gonna be that good? That's the inner critique. Could have easily been like, oh, these goddamn sleeves, I've had enough, I'm done with this. But nah, I kept going, a little bit at a time. I didn't give up, and that's what matters. We're coming back strong this holiday season. Bigger, beigeier, boxier. It's all I'm gonna be wearing. What else am I supposed to wear? What else? Once you put this on, it's over. Nothing cozier. You're just out here. Can you feel the holiday spirit? Custom made with love, for me, by me, in honor of my mom. And you know what? Maybe my mom wouldn't think this one's all that bad. Maybe she'd love it. But nah, she'd probably be mad about it, and that's what I miss. Always remember the things that are close to your heart. I had to come back to myself. I love you, Mama. Sending love to everyone who's lost someone close to them. Life gets chaotic, but remember, you're not lost. You're finding yourself. Love.